Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this oil sprayer. This is such a nice oil sprayer because it's got this frosted glass which will help with UV protection. So if you wanted to take it out camping or anything like that, you don't have to worry about the sun getting in here and damaging the item. It also has this really nice handle here that's really easy to hold on to so you can then control the amount of spraying. Another little feature I really like is this etched glass. It feels really nice. It's got this really pretty design. And on the back side, it shows you how much is left in the item. So when we open it up, this is awesome. It has got a nice big opening. I've had several different jars that are so small, you have to have a little funnel to be able to use it. This, you can just pour your oil directly in here. So I have some olive oil that I'm gonna pour in here, and we are gonna test this out and see how it spreads. We're gonna fill it up with the oil, and then we can see the line real easy. Got your little dispenser here. And I'll bring you in here close before I put the lid on so we can take a good look at this oil dispenser. So here's the actual dispenser up close. You can see this nice gold imprint on the front with the frosted glass. And then on the back, you can actually see your levels of how much oil is still remaining in there. And then you've got your nice big opening. And then here is the top where it will then just spray and it'll fan out. So then this just screws in right here. So that way it is a secured thing and you've got your little pump down at the bottom. So we're gonna stick that in and screw it on. And it will take a couple of pumps just to get the air out of the line whenever we first use it here. And then we should be good to go. So that comes out, you get quite a bit. And you can actually control how much oil you get. If you just want to have just a little drops, you can just barely slowly push down on it and the drops kind of come out. If you wanted a bigger stream of it, I mean, that comes out real quick. So I really appreciate how that comes out evenly and you actually get quite a lot of it within one little area. This can be used for all sorts of different cooking. If you've got your air fryer and you want to add just a little bit of oil in there, crisp it up. You can just add your oil in and then that is also ready to go. But this comes out effortlessly. I mean, you barely have to push down on this and it comes out with a full stream and it is really easy to use and it holds quite a bit of oil.